2026 Citroën 2CV, a retro reinvention for the modern era. The Citroën 2CV, one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history, has made a dramatic return in 2026 with a futuristic yet familiar touch. Originally introduced in 1948, the 2CV was designed to mobilize rural France. A simple, reliable and affordable car that could carry 4 people and a basket of eggs across a plowed field without breaking a single one. Now, over 7 decades later, Citroën has resurrected the 2CV nameplate with a thoroughly modern interpretation. The 2026 Citroën 2CV is not just a nostalgic tribute, it's a statement of how heritage can blend with cutting-edge automotive design, sustainable engineering, and urban practicality. In a market dominated by SUVs and high-performance EVs, the new 2CV dares to be different. It's small, quirky, efficient, and refreshingly focused on what really matters to many drivers: affordability, charm, and everyday usability. This new model respects the core values of the original 2CV while integrating advanced technology, electric power, and clever design. It stands as a unique offering in the ever-growing electric city car segment and is likely to appeal to both vintage car enthusiasts and modern eco-conscious buyers alike. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2026 Citroën 2CV is perhaps its most attention-grabbing feature. From a distance, there's no mistaking the lineage. The instantly recognizable rounded roofline, corrugated bonnet, and upright profile are all present. Yet, these retro cues are reimagined with a clean, futuristic aesthetic. The surfaces are smoother, the lines tighter, and the body has been sculpted with aerodynamic efficiency in mind. LED lighting technology is used creatively, with circular headlamps housed in minimalist casings that echo the vintage 2CV's front fascia. A light bar stretches across the front grille area, a modern touch that also functions as a design statement. The body panels are made of lightweight composite materials, and Citroën offers a range of color options, including pastel tones and two-tone configurations that emphasize the car's playful personality. In size, the 2026 model is slightly larger than the original, but still compact by today's standards, making it ideal for urban use. It rides on 16-inch wheels with eco tires and features flared fenders that give it a subtle crossover feel without compromising its city-friendly footprint. Detachable roof panels are available on select trims, reviving the convertible-like feel of the original car and adding an extra layer of fun for sunny day drives. Performance and driving experience. Unlike its mechanically simple ancestor, the 2026 Citroën 2CV is built on a modern EV platform shared with other small cars in the Stellantis group. The standard model is equipped with a single electric motor mounted on the front axle, delivering around 90 horsepower and 110 Nm of torque. While that may sound modest, the 2CV's lightweight, just over 1,100 kg, allows it to feel sprightly and nimble in city traffic. Acceleration from 0-60 km/h takes under 6 seconds, making it more than quick enough for urban environments. Top speed is limited to 135 km/h to preserve range, which is a smart trade-off considering its primary use case. Speaking of range, the 2CV comes with 2 battery options: a standard 30 kWh battery, good for around 250 km of range, WLTP, and a larger 45 kWh version that can achieve up to 350 km on a single charge. Charging is efficient and user-friendly, with 100 kW DC fast charging capability standard across all variants. This allows the battery to go from 20% to 80% in just under 30 minutes. For home users, an 11 kW onboard charger ensures overnight charging convenience. The suspension setup uses Citroën's latest progressive hydraulic cushions system, delivering an incredibly smooth and composed ride, even on poorly maintained city roads. The original 2CV's famous comfort and flexibility are honored and elevated with modern damping technology. Citroën also offers an optional all-terrain pack, which includes raised suspension, skid plates, and all-season tires. While not intended for off-roading, this variant nods to the utilitarian spirit of the original and adds a rugged twist for drivers who might live in more rural or seasonal areas. Interior and technology. Step inside the 2026 Citroën 2CV and you're greeted with an environment that is minimalistic, bright, and charming. The cabin doesn't try to compete with high-tech luxury vehicles. Instead, it offers an unpretentious and welcoming atmosphere that aligns with its friendly exterior. The dashboard is simple and functional, made of recycled materials and soft touch plastics, with some versions offering color accents that match the exterior paintwork. A large, centrally mounted 10-inch touchscreen serves as the control hub for the infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Physical buttons are retained for essential controls like climate settings, volume, and hazard lights, a move that will be appreciated by users who prefer tactile interaction. A small digital display sits behind the steering wheel, providing critical driving information including speed, range, and navigation prompts. Despite its small size, the interior space is surprisingly generous thanks to clever packaging. The II, flat floor and upright seating position give the impression of a much roomier cabin. There's enough legroom and headroom for 4 adults, and the rear seats can be folded flat to expand the modest cargo area. In its standard configuration, the boot holds about 250 liters, expanding to over 800 liters with the rear seats down. Eco-conscious buyers will be pleased with Citroën's focus on sustainability. The interior upholstery is made from plant-based fabrics and recycled plastic, while the floor mats use biodegradable materials. The cabin includes multiple USB-C ports, a wireless phone charger, and even a fold-out picnic table built into the rear hatch, a playful nod to the car's lifestyle appeal. Pricing and trims. The 2026 Citroën 2CV is competitively priced, positioning it as an affordable entry-level EV. The base model, with the smaller battery and standard equipment, starts at around $19,500 in Europe. This makes it one of the most accessible electric cars on the market, and subsidies in some countries could bring that price even lower. The mid-spec urban trim adds upgraded upholstery, additional driver assistance features, alloy wheels, and enhanced connectivity for approximately $22,000. At the top of the range is the Evasion Edition, priced around $25,000, which includes the larger battery, panoramic glass roof, advanced driver assist systems, including adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking, and unique two-tone paint options. Citroën also plans to introduce a subscription-based ownership model for the 2CV, allowing customers to access the car on a flexible monthly basis with insurance, maintenance, and charging perks included. This modern ownership approach further aligns with the car's appeal to younger, urban drivers who prioritize flexibility over traditional car ownership. Overall impression. The return of the Citroën 2CV in 2026 is more than a retro novelty. It is a cleverly designed, purpose-driven electric vehicle that manages to capture the charm of the original while fully embracing the future. By focusing on simplicity, affordability, and distinctive design, Citroën has created a product that stands out in a crowded and increasingly homogeneous market. The 2CV doesn't aim to outdo luxury EVs in performance or range. Instead, it carves out its own niche by offering what many drivers really need: a fun, efficient, and affordable car that's a joy to use in daily life. Its retro-inspired styling is sure to turn heads, while its thoughtful interior and eco-friendly approach appeal to modern sensibilities. As cities around the world push for cleaner transportation and reduced car footprints, the 2026 Citroën 2CV feels not just relevant, but essential. It's a car that remembers its past, but isn't stuck in it. A symbol of how timeless design can be reimagined for a better, cleaner future. Whether you're a lifelong Citroën enthusiast or a first-time buyer looking for something unique, The new 2CV is well worth a closer look.